So welcome to Wine Barrel Cleaning. Today we'll go over a couple of machines. The Wine Barrel Cleaning steam vapor machines that operate at around 165 or 180 degrees. So our machines are dry steam vapor. That heat kills Brettanomyces, improves VA and the hygiene of barrels and bottling lines. All of our machines have direct water connection. Here it is steaming. Now we'll stick this into the barrel. The steam inside is just changing colour. So it's gone from very white now to getting very, very hot. And this is the critical thing of temperature. The higher the temperature of the steam vapor, the faster your process is happening. This is running at 6 bar, about 165 is the critical thing. The pressure is proportional to the temperature. Doing a typical barrel should take around 4 minutes. Wash a barrel. So we go through a sequence of doing a very quick water pressure, rinsing, removing tartrates that are on there. Then we go into a stage of steaming the barrel. Steam systems can also go onto bottling lines. So it goes through a cycle of pressure washing like we showed you, and now we go through a cycle of steaming the barrel. Just like the other manual operated system, but this is an automatic system. So we can set the timer to go 1, 2, 3 or 4 minutes pressure washing, and we can set the steam, automatically program the steam onto it.